Medicanja, a player in the Jamaican cannabis industry, is taking bold steps to revolutionize the sector and cater to international buyers. Led by esteemed researcher Dr. Henry Lowe, the company is determined to overcome existing limitations. Here's Aisha Nation with the Business Review.
Medicanja, a pioneering force in Jamaica's cannabis industry. Andrew Mackenzie is the Chief Operating Officer.
We research the medicinal properties of the cannabis plant, and through our founder and Chief Researcher, Dr. Henry Lowe, we develop products specifically from the cannabis plant, and we have those products approved and regulated and approved by the Ministry of Health before we introduce them to the market.
He says the group of researchers will revolutionize the market with its plans.
Is to engage international buyers, because as we prepare our organization for growth, and part of what we're doing right now is to invest in the supply chain, and that is really a focus that we had to put a lot of attention into, because there is really not sufficient infrastructure to deal with medicinal cannabis products in Jamaica.
But these goals are met with challenges.
There's an issue around in terms of companies that we have signed contracts with, and they pull out because they are afraid of the banking implication as part of that. So what we have to be doing is we have to go back to the drawing board and to try to focus on developing our own supply chain and build our own infrastructure. So we are investing and building out a facility to deal with pharmaceutical production, to specifically to boost the market, to boost the supply of our products on the market.
Mr. Mackenzie revealed that lead researcher and founder of Medicanja, Dr. Henry Lowe, made a pivotal decision prior to the company's inauguration in 2013. Recognizing the untapped potential and countless benefits of the cannabis plant, Dr. Lowe made a deliberate choice to exclusively concentrate on extracting its medicinal value.
He recognized that a lot of the stigma around the plant didn't necessarily reflect its true potential, and so what he wanted to do was to show and demonstrate to Jamaica that there's good medicinal properties coming out of this. So as part of that, he has developed, and the first 7 years of the company life was really focused on pure research. It was just product development. During that time to now, we have managed to get 12 products approved by the Ministry of Health for the market.
Medicanja has identified 4 specific cannabis profiles for farmers to supply them with tailored strains. The company urges farmers to tap into the cannabis industry and is inviting investors to participate and policymakers to create a supportive regulatory environment for the growth of the industry. The company does not make products for recreational purposes. And despite not yet turning a profit, Medicanja faces an overwhelming demand both regionally and internationally for its products, surpassing the current supply. There are also renovation plans to expand production and meet the increasing demand. The company offers products for pain management, glaucoma, epilepsy, diabetes, while there are 7 supplements in the final review stage. Medicanja also has a diverse line of tropical plant-based capsules. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.